Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the ultimate destination for classic yacht lovers, marine engineering fans, and those who appreciate the beauty of timeless craftsmanship on water. Today, we're stepping into the golden age of American yachting to explore a true gem of nautical history, the Elco Flattop. This iconic motor yacht isn't just a vessel. It's a floating time capsule that speaks volumes about the style, innovation, and elegance of the 1920s and 1930s. If you've ever dreamed of cruising the coastlines in a vessel that combines traditional charm with modern capabilities, the Elco Flattop is bound to capture your imagination. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into this beautifully preserved piece of maritime legacy. The Elco Flattop was designed and built by the Electric Launch Company, widely known as Elco. Founded in the late 1800s, Elco quickly made a name for itself when its electric-powered boats transported over 1 million people at the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. As the company evolved into the early 20th century, it began focusing on gasoline-powered yachts, and the Flattop series became one of its most iconic creations. These yachts were primarily built between the mid-1920s and early 1930s and were known for their distinctive lines, superior craftsmanship, and durable builds. The name Flattop came from the signature flat profile of the cabin roof, which not only looked elegant but also served functional purposes, such as accommodating deck chairs for sunbathing or providing a secondary observation point. Key features of the Elco Flattop make it stand out even a century later.
From the moment you lay eyes on one, you're greeted by an elongated and graceful silhouette, a hallmark of classic American yacht design.
The hulls were traditionally made of mahogany planks laid over oak frames, offering durability and a rich, luxurious finish. A typical Elco Flattop ranges from 42 to 57 feet in length, although custom builds could extend beyond that. The bow usually sweeps upward in a gentle rise, creating a commanding yet refined presence on the water. The low profile and long deck space reflect an attention to proportion and balance that modern yachts sometimes lack. With their twin-screw propulsion systems, these yachts were not only visually stunning but also powerful performers for their time. Moving into the design language of the Elco Flattop, it is essential to appreciate the elegance and attention to detail that went into every aspect of construction. The deck layout generally includes a large aft cockpit area, a spacious saloon amidships, and private cabins forward. The Flattop's signature roof design wasn't just for looks. It provided space for additional passengers, outdoor lounging, or even small deck parties. You'll often see period-appropriate touches like bronze fittings, vintage navigation instruments, and beautifully varnished teak or mahogany trim. Unlike many modern yachts that rely heavily on plastic and composites, the Elco Flattop radiates authenticity. Each corner, each fixture, each panel tells a story of handcrafted precision. It is a design that prioritizes both aesthetics and function, creating a sense of balance and timeless appeal. Inside the Elco Flattop, you'll find an environment that feels more like a floating vintage home than a vessel. Step through the rear double doors, and you enter the saloon, a room often finished with polished wood paneling, vintage furniture, and brass lighting fixtures. The seating arrangement is usually in a U-shaped lounge style, complemented by a central table for dining or entertaining. Windows wrap around the space, flooding the interior with natural light and offering panoramic views of the sea. It's a room designed for both luxury and comfort, where one could sip cocktails, read a book, or simply enjoy a quiet sunset.
Forward of the saloon, you'll typically find a compact but well-equipped galley.
Despite the vintage nature of the yacht, many restorations have included modern appliances such as electric stoves, refrigeration, and even microwaves, while still maintaining the original cabinetry and counters. This creates a fusion of modern convenience and classic styling that's hard to beat. Beyond the galley lie the staterooms. Depending on the model and restoration choices, the yacht can include 1 or 2 guest cabins and a master suite. Some versions also feature crew quarters at the front end. The master stateroom often includes a full-size bed, built-in wardrobes, and its own private head with a shower. These spaces may be small by house standards, but they offer cozy luxury on the water. The performance of the Elco Flattop is another area where old-world craftsmanship meets modern adaptability. Originally, These yachts were powered by gasoline engines, often twin-screw setups producing modest horsepower by today's standards. However, many current owners and restorers have opted to repower these boats with more modern diesel engines or even electric drive systems, depending on the intended use. A well-maintained Elco Flattop can cruise comfortably at around 10 to 12 knots, making it perfect for leisurely coastal cruising or exploring inland waterways. The hull design ensures a smooth ride, even in moderate chop, thanks to the deep V or semi-displacement hulls used in the build.
Another performance advantage lies in the yacht's maneuverability.
Because of its twin-engine setup and relatively narrow beam, the Elco Flattop is surprisingly agile. Whether you're docking in a tight marina or cruising through narrow channels, the vessel responds well to helm commands. Older models may not have both thrusters or joystick controls, but skilled captains find them easy to handle due to the logical layout and predictable movement of the hull. Moreover, many Elco Flattops feature full-length keels, which provide excellent directional stability and contribute to the boat's seaworthiness. Unique selling points of the Elco Flattop are numerous and cater to different types of yacht enthusiasts. First and foremost, owning an Elco Flattop is like owning a piece of history. Each yacht has its own story, often stretching back almost 100 years. Some were owned by celebrities or used in historic voyages. Others have been lovingly restored by expert craftsmen over the course of decades. These yachts are more than just boats. They are collector's items, floating works of art that combine the best of American boat-building traditions with the functionality required for real-world cruising. Another standout feature is the community that surrounds Elco Flattop ownership. Across North America and Europe, you'll find clubs, forums, and rendezvous events dedicated to classic wooden yachts. Owners share maintenance tips, restoration advice, and even parts. There is a sense of camaraderie and respect among Elco owners that is rare in the boating world. Whether it's a boat show or a weekend cruise, being part of this niche but passionate community is a reward in itself. Let's also talk about the resale value and investment potential. While many modern fiberglass boats depreciate rapidly, a well-maintained or professionally restored Elco Flattop often holds or even increases in value over time. As the pool of surviving models shrinks, demand from collectors and vintage boat enthusiasts continues to grow. Boats like the 1929 Elco 50 feet, or the 1928 Bon Congé, have fetched significant attention in classic yacht circles, sometimes being displayed at prestigious boat shows or even winning awards for best restoration. The effort and cost to restore these boats may be high, but the emotional and financial returns can be just as rewarding.
Then there's the sustainability angle. While not originally built with eco-consciousness in mind, the Elco Flattop is a surprisingly green choice when restored properly.
Wooden hulls are biodegradable, and many restorations use responsibly sourced materials. Moreover, converting the boat to electric propulsion or hybrid systems aligns well with modern sustainability goals. Some owners have even installed solar panels on the Flattop roof to power the onboard electronics. This makes the Elco Flattop not only a nod to the past but also a bridge to the future of boating.
The onboard ambiance is also worth highlighting. There's something profoundly relaxing about being on a wooden yacht.
The creak of the wood, the warm feel of the deck beneath your feet, and the gentle sway of the boat combine to create a sensory experience that plastic or metal yachts simply can't offer. Whether you're entertaining guests, cruising with family, or just enjoying a solo escape, the Elco Flattop provides a level of charm and tranquility that's hard to describe but impossible to forget. Let's not forget customization. Unlike mass-produced boats that all look and feel the same, each Elco Flattop can be uniquely yours. From interior layouts to material finishes and technical upgrades, these boats are highly customizable. Some owners choose to keep everything historically accurate, down to the light switches and fabrics. Others opt for modern creature comforts like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and touchscreen navigation systems. The beauty of the Flattop lies in this flexibility. You can make it a museum-quality showpiece or a fully modernized cruiser, depending on your taste and budget. In terms of maintenance, while it's true that wooden yachts require more attention than fiberglass or aluminum ones, the reward is in the details. Many Elco owners find the maintenance process to be therapeutic, a way to connect with the vessel and understand its quirks. Regular varnishing, engine checks, and hull inspections are part of the routine, but they also create a bond between owner and yacht. Plus, with a vibrant community and ample resources available, keeping your Elco Flattop in pristine condition is a rewarding journey in itself. To wrap it all up, the Elco Flattop is more than just a boat. It's a floating legacy, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a personal sanctuary on the water. It's a yacht that tells stories with every creak of wood and glint of brass. For those who appreciate tradition, elegance, and the simple joy of cruising, the Elco Flattop remains an unparalleled choice. At Sir Boats Yacht, we believe that true luxury lies in heritage, character, and authenticity, all of which the Elco Flattop delivers in spades. Thanks for joining us today for this in-depth look at the Elco Flattop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht. Let us know in the comments if you've ever seen an Elco Flattop in person or if you have questions about owning or restoring a classic yacht. We've got more legendary vessels to explore in upcoming videos, so stay tuned and keep cruising in style.